Alright guys, I wanted to show you real quick about our new action kit, and if you've been inside of JITS University the past 48 hours, you're going to notice that our layout is a little bit different. We think it's a little bit more user-friendly, and you're going to notice the action kit is located right here, so you're going to go ahead and click on that, and the top video is just a very quick 1-minute video explaining what is provided in the action kit. When you scroll down, you'll see the October 2018 action plan, and inside is where you're going to have your traffic, your tribe, and your thrive action plans. These are pretty short videos. Try to keep them around 5 minutes. Go ahead and watch them, and we'll break down each one of these strategies. And one of the coolest aspects that we're offering is the graphics and the PDF and basically any file that you would need in order to be able to launch each individual campaign. So go ahead and watch the video. You'll have all of the necessary downloads over here to the right. We've got our traffic video, we've got our tribe video, and we've got our thrive video. So let's say you're, hosting a stranger danger mass intro and you need a flyer for it. You just go ahead and click on it and open it up, and there you'll have it. And then you'll notice on each one of these graphics there will be a blank section that you can easily put in your event date, time, if there's a cost to it, if there's a website you want them to go to sign up. You can put your address, your phone number, and your logo. So you'll be able to edit all of these files with your own personal school information. Okay, so once again, just head to the action kit. You're going to click on it, and we'll have each individual month set up. We've got October ready to rock and roll, and they'll be broke down into 3 different sections. Your traffic, which is just how to drive traffic into your academy, developing a tribe culture so that your students don't quit. So we're going to focus on retention strategies, and then ultimately ways to bring in more incoming revenue so you can thrive. We hope you guys enjoy this, and we think it's definitely going to be a game changer for all of you inside of JITS University.